Hi, Coach Jason. Welcome to 60 Seconds of Property. I'm going to share today one of my favorite strategies, pre-auction offers. Now, they're not to be used sparingly. You do need to understand the intricacies of the strategy. So first of all, what is a pre-auction offer? Well, a pre-auction offer is when you submit an offer to purchase a property before the set auction date. So this allows you to potentially bring that auction date forward, and it happens in 48 hours, and the reserve is now set at the accepted price. But like any other offer, the seller can choose to accept or reject the pre-auction offer, and the property may still proceed to the auction date. So this has the potential effect of taking time away from competition, who may still, want to complete due diligence such as finance or building inspections or solicitors checks, etc. So a pre-auction offer is an unconditional offer, so you do need to ensure that all your due diligence is done beforehand. And this may include things such as, the completion of finance. You do need also the bank to sign off on that property. You may want to do building and toxicology checks, solicitor checks, and you also need to be deposit ready, which is typically 10%. So you do need to be very, very sure with the strategy, because it's not like a negotiation where you can attach conditions with your offer. Now, there are two key things that can make or break the offer. The first thing is timing. When you place that offer is really, really important. If it's going to be after the first open home, then guess what? It's unlikely it's going to receive too much interest unless your price is ridiculously high. The second thing, you can make more than one offer. So use your opportunities strategically, as you don't want to show your over-eagerness. The critical factor to the success of a pre-auction offer is you being in tune with the market values, because if you know what the property is worth and the vendor has a more conservative view, then this is an opportunity for you to grab something at a bargain. Now, it does take a lot of skill to use a pre-auction offer strategy, so having an agent on your side willing to bet for you makes a significant difference. If your offer is accepted, you still have to be prepared to bid at auction, albeit hopefully with less competition, which is always a good thing. So good luck with that. If you'd like to find out more about pre-auction offers, drop me a line, and happy to have a bit of a chat to you. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.